Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a manicure using an E-File and cuticle oil. Grab an orange stick. It's even better if you shape it thin like I did, so it won't hurt the cuticles. Now watch my hand closely. Gently use the side edge of your tool to push the cuticles back. Don't rush it. Go over it again. And this time try to separate the cuticle from the nail plate without causing any damage. This step is super important. There shouldn't be any little knots left under the cuticle. It needs to be fully lifted so your tool can slide underneath smoothly. Keep going just like this, and repeat the same steps on all the nails. You'll need a loop pusher for this part. I'm using one from Cuticles, and honestly, it's amazing. Use the loop pusher to gently remove the dead skin sitting on top of the nail plate. Keep it light, no pressure. Just surface work, don't go deep. And only do it where it's actually needed. If there's nothing there, just leave it. Now we need some cuticle balm. Just apply a little bit right on the cuticles and gently massage it in. That's gonna make the cuticles soft. Let's pick the right drill bit together. This one's my favorite, so that's the one I'm going with. Dip your drill bit into the balm just a little to lubricate it. Set your E-File to forward and adjust the speed to around 7,000 or 8,000 RPM. Start right from the middle of the cuticle, holding your bit at about a 45-degree angle. The bit shouldn't touch the nail plate at all. It should only be working underneath the cuticle. If you did that first step with the orange stick correctly, you'll notice how easily it moves now. You won't need much time here, because the cuticle is already lifted and separated from the nail plate. Here's something you really need to pay attention to: massaging the side. Lay your drill bit flat against the skin and move it outward. That way, you'll gently remove all those little dead skin pieces around the sides. Once you're done with the left side, move on to the right. Switch your E-File to reverse. The speed stays the same. And just repeat the exact same steps on this side too. Now grab a wipe and clean off the nails. It's time to cut the cuticles. You can use either scissors or a nipper. I personally prefer scissors. Hold the scissors the same way I'm showing you so you have full control. Start the cut from the right sinus area, using just a few millimeters of the scissor tip. Keep the scissors at about a 90-degree angle to the nail, and move your hand along smoothly as you cut. Shaping the free edge. Apply a little bit of oil on the cuticles. Then, with a bit like this one, smooth out any scissor marks and remove any leftover skin. Keep your E-File in forward mode, same speed as before. Work from the right side wall toward the left, just like I'm doing. It should feel like a light massage, no pressure at all. This technique really lasts. The cuticles stay soft and hydrated for up to 2 weeks. If you're planning to apply gel after the manicure, make sure you buff the nails to create those little scratches. And thoroughly clean off the surface oils with a cleanser. And here's the final result. If it helped, hit like and subscribe for the next ones.